ready to turn your online presence into a lead-generating machine. First, snag a domain name that screams professionalism and is easy to remember. Ideally, it includes your name or area of expertise, and consider the Realtor extension for instant credibility. Next, craft compelling content that showcases your local market knowledge and expertise. High-quality photos and virtual tour of your listings are a must, along with blog posts about neighborhood guides, market trends, and home buying tips. Now, let's get visible by optimizing your website for search engines. Research relevant keywords like homes for sale in your city and strategically incorporate them into your website copy, image alt text, and meta descriptions. Capture leads by offering valuable resources like free home valuation reports, buyer's guides, or neighborhood reports in exchange for contact information. Strategically place these lead capture forms throughout your website. Finally, showcase your expertise and build trust by prominently displaying client testimonials and highlighting your sales achievements, demonstrating your track record of success to potential clients.